Can you really turn any asset like stocks, artwork, collectibles, or even AI model into a digital token? Yes, you can. And in today's video, I will show you exactly how platforms like RPOnChain makes it simple, secure, and fast to register and verify real-world assets on chain. Let's walk through the entire process step by step. RPOnChain is a structured asset rights confirmation and registration portal. That means it helps you prove ownership, verify authenticity, and register almost any type of assets, from stocks and bonds to artwork and collectibles to intellectual property and even AI models. If you can prove it's yours, you can list it. The entire process is designed to be clear and simple. You start by entering your asset, then the system moves it into review and verification. Once your documents are confirmed, RPOnChain automatically generates a smart contract for the asset. Then your asset is listed on the platform. And if you choose, you can even enable features like automatic profit distribution. The platform has several powerful core functions. Firstly, multi-platform auto blockchain integration, so your ownership is always secure. Secondly, smart contracts that automatically handles profit distribution. And lastly, multiple security mechanisms to protect your assets and data. These features make tokenization safer and easier for businesses, creators, and asset owners. One of the impressive parts of RPOnChain is the transparent dashboard. Here you can see real-time statistics including total assets valued on the platform, that is $12.5 billion. Then success cases, we have 15,234 assets that are registered, and the transaction success rate, that is 99.2%. There's also a clear growth trend chart and a breakdown of asset categories like standard and non-standard and behavioral assets. Here's where the tokenization becomes real. The platform displays a wide range of recently registered assets, everything from artwork, AI models, Hong Kong stocks, collectibles, and many more. Each asset shows its valuation and, more importantly, its verification status, that is either in review, right confirmed, or chained. Chained means the asset has successfully been turned into a secure and verifiable token on the blockchain. The user interface is simple and welcoming. You can log in with an enterprise account, a personal account, or even connect with a Google or a GitHub account. Once you're inside, the process of adding and verifying an asset is straightforward. No coding, no technical steps are required.